Jaundice, I think we should remember, is not a disease. It is a symptom of your underlying disease. So jaundice can be a symptom of various liver diseases, or it can be a symptom of cancer. Jaundice is actually an yellowish discoloration of your eyes, urine, or your body fluids. This usually happens due to increase in a pigment in your body called bilirubin. Jaundice happens due to many illnesses which are mostly related to the liver. It can be due to hepatitis, which is actually inflammation of the liver, and hepatitis is usually caused due to a lot of viruses. The commonest virus in India is hepatitis A. There can also be hepatitis B or C. Hepatitis A is a very acute infection. That is, the infection comes, there will be hepatitis, and the infection goes away, in most cases without any treatment. Hepatitis B and C are chronic infections where these infections stay in the body, and these are actually more dangerous infections. So viral hepatitis is one of the common causes for jaundice. Also, alcohol and alcohol leading to alcoholic hepatitis is another important cause of jaundice. Alcohol first leads to alcoholic hepatitis and then leads to liver damage called as liver cirrhosis. So all this can cause jaundice. The other important cause of jaundice, which is very much neglected, are gallstones and blockage of the bile duct. Bile duct is the structure which takes bile from the liver to the intestine, and if you block this bile duct, it can lead to jaundice. And this block most commonly happens with gallbladder stones. Also, block can happen with cancers in the gallbladder, or cancers in the pancreas, or in the bile duct itself. So these cancers can be, jaundice can be the first sign of these cancers. Also, certain medications that we take can harm the liver and cause jaundice. So if you have noticed jaundice, usually divide jaundice into either medical jaundice or surgical jaundice. Medical jaundice is all your alcoholic hepatitis or all your hepatitis due to viral infections. So these are medical jaundice where actually liver is damaged, and you'll have to see a medical gastroenterologist or a hepatologist for this. Surgical jaundice is due to blockage of bile ducts, and in that case you'll have to see a surgeon. Usually with surgical jaundice, the symptoms will be very much different. You'll have a lot of itching all over your body. You may have fevers, and the jaundice in surgical jaundice will be very deep yellow in color, rather than in medical jaundice will be a light yellow in color. So that's how by clinically you differentiate surgical jaundice from medical jaundice. Also with your blood investigations, where we do a liver function test and also an ultrasound scan of the abdomen, can differentiate between surgical jaundice and medical jaundice. So that's how you decide which doctor you see when you have a jaundice. Jaundice is diagnosed by simple blood investigation called liver function test, and we also do various other tests like ultrasound scan of your abdomen, and if it is a viral hepatitis, we do a viral markers to see if the virus has attacked your liver. If it's an alcoholic hepatitis, we do a battery of tests to see how much liver is affected. We can do the liver stiffness test called FibroScan to know the condition of the liver. Finally, if nothing is found, the most important test will be a liver biopsy, where we take a small piece of the liver and examine it under microscope. Jaundice, I think we should remember, is not a disease. It is a symptom of your underlying disease. So jaundice can be a symptom of various liver diseases, or it can be a symptom of cancer also. So to treat jaundice, we'll have to treat the root cause of its of jaundice. So in case of a medical jaundice like hepatitis, especially hepatitis A, which is a common infection which can lead to jaundice, this jaundice will usually go away without any treatment, and this is the basis of all the naughty medicines that a lot of people take, where they say that they take this medicine and it gets treated even without doctor's consultation. That's because of the hepatitis A jaundice, which doesn't require any treatment. Whereas if you have alcoholic liver disease leading on to jaundice, obviously you'll have to stop alcohol and get a treatment done by a medical gastroenterologist or a hepatologist. In our condition, in a surgical jaundice has to be properly diagnosed. If there is a gallstones or a bile duct stones, these have to be removed by a surgeon. And if it's a cancer, then a proper diagnosis has to be done using ultrasound scan or a CT scan or a PET scan, and then it has to be treated accordingly, usually using a surgical procedure. So jaundice treatment actually depends on the treatment of its root cause.